So I am going to make eyeball pasta. It's not just eyeball pasta actually, it's eyeball, blood and worms pasta.
Yum!
But the eyeball is the finishing touch, it looks great. But first of all, I'm going to make the sauce. It's a tin of tomatoes, clove of garlic, a bit of sugar and some salt. Open that up. There we go. We'll do about a teaspoon of sugar.
Any sugar?
Yeah.
Sorry, we're crossing paths, aren't we?
And a hefty pinch of salt. Now I'm going to bring that to the boil and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. Let's stick that pasta in. There we go.
Right.
So while that's cooking, we are going to make the eyeballs. Now I've got my secret ingredient in the fridge.
We're so excited. What's it going to be?
It is mozzarella pearls.
Basically, we're looking for mozzarella balls.
Yeah.
Oh,
mozzarella
wow.
balls. But,
Perfect.
But
Look
these
at
are
that.
great. Perfect eyeball shape.
Material. Brilliant.
So, first you get your eyeball and then you make your iris. So we're going to use a sharp knife.
Yep.
There you go. And then take an olive and then you want to get a very thin shaving of olive. This is the clever bit, and I got this idea from a website which I will credit in the written bit below the film. Get a straw, insert it. This is what, there you go, so then you've got a hole. Then get your black olive.
Oh my goodness.
I know, it's like science, isn't it? It's precision. And with the same straw, so it's going to be the same shape, make a little ball. Ooh. Pop it out.
Pop it in.
And then pop it in. And then stick it on the mozzarella.
Slow down.
There we go. So I'm just going to put the pasta in the tomato sauce. Give it a stir. So this is the blood and worms part of the tea. You need to get out more and get off the internet.
Oh, it's hot under there. Well, you've got to have, if you're going to do Halloween, you've got to do it properly.
Your kids must love you at Halloween. It's when they get a bit older that they're going to be like, Mum.
First few years we did it, Halloween in this area is really big, and the first few years we did it, I was like, I can't believe these sad grown-ups getting dressed up for Halloween. This year I'm thinking, right,
When's it start?
Dracula's bride.
I'm hungry. Yum, 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 yum. There you go.
It's going to enjoy this.
Eyeballs and blood and worm pasta.
I wonder where his missing eyeball was. Now we know. Happy Halloween. How are you spending yours? Eyeballs and all.
Yeah, any brilliant ideas?
See what she did there? See you next week.
Let us know. Comment below. See you next week.
Bye.
We're sisters, and together we're Crumbs. We both like cooking, and we love food, and chocolate, and red wine.